Yum, 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 yum. It smells nasty, actually.
Told you.
Tastes really good.
Ryan looks really serious.
Ready?
How do I zoom?
Ryan,
Oh, just
don't hold it.
put a little bit on her lips.
Here, give me your hand.
That's probably enough.
Oh.
There's other flavors in this world.
Is it gross? Come on, sweetie.
She's making the funniest faces.
It's just like, what the heck? Bobos are way better than this.
That's just nasty. Here you go. Open big.
Oh.
You're not supposed to give her too much, right? Just
No.
like, probably enough.
Oh, poor Ryan. Oh.
Is that like the worst experience ever?
I think she just fitted everything you just gave her.
Oh.
Mmm. Yum.
Oh my gosh.
And some more? It's okay.
Hi.
Yum, 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 yum,
Please.
yum. Yum, 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 yum.
Poor Ryan.
It's probably enough, isn't it?
No, you can give, as long as she'll take it. You want any more? You done? Let's Mom try it. Mom
Can
thinks
Daddy
it's
try it?
good. I think it's good.
Oh, she's trying to get it now.
Yellow squash. Want some more? She's actually doing really good.
Mmm.
Yum,
Maybe she'll
yum, yum.
poop.
Yummy.
It's not as it's not as sweet as the Bobos, huh?
Good girl.
You're such a good sweetie. Want any more? No. Ah. Oh, let me hold your hands.
I thought you were supposed to give him one spoonful. That's it.
Ah. Like tablespoonful. She's probably not even gotten a tablespoon really.
Don't tell me you're gonna be a picky eater.
No. She's
I
just
know, I'm
never
just
had anything like this before. Y'all
That was a
done?
joke, babe.
Y'all done? Y'all done?
Mm-mm. Okay, I'm gonna stop the camera.
You can keep it on. Try that one.
She doesn't want to ash.
Oh,
Yeah, I think
I
it's
think
enough.
you're all done, huh?
Good girl. Ryan's first time eating food. Successful.